So hello friends, welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. So dear friends, now today we are with one more video, and the reason for video is that many of students who are doing BDS are calling me and messaging me asking me, sir, we want to start preparation from right now onwards, from my first year, from my second year, from my third year, from my final year. So friends, it is not like that. Second reason, many of the NEET MDS aspirants, AIIMS MDS aspirants are asking, sir, which book to refer for MDS preparation, or NEET MDS or AIIMS MDS preparation. So this video is all about. So dear friend, remember that it's very good that your thought is that you want to do the MDS good, but first, in every BDS year, first year, second year, third year, final year, you have to lay down your foundation with concept clearing. Fine, if your foundation is proper, if your concept clearing is proper, surety is there regarding NEET MDS preparation, there will be a smooth sailing for you people. Fine, and nowadays days have been gone. Previously, before for 3 to 4 years, just 1 year preparation of few MCQ books help you to clear the NEET MDS. But nowadays, if you see the last 2-3 years papers, the repetition is very less, hardly 1 to 2%. Full paper, 95 to 90% paper is completely based on your concept and how you have laid your foundation. So dear friend, from where that foundation will come? That foundation will come if you study properly from first, second, third, final year. See, it is like you are preparing in backdoors. Like for example, if you take the Virat Kohli, he is hitting the good cover shot, cover drive, pull shot. He is hitting based on the practice of one today? No. He is preparing, or he is hitting their shots based on the preparation or the hard work he has done in the past years. How he has improved him or herself during the every aspect of his batting. So in the same manner, your NEET MDS preparation is there. You have to prepare from the first day. You have to clear each and every step to get in the top 500 of NEET MDS or top 10 of AIIMS MDS, and to get in the prestigious government colleges and to learn proper things. So friend, this video is for the first year BDS student, that which book you have to refer. I am mentioning book as prescribed by the DCI. If you open the DCI curriculum, there are the two readings, that is the suggested readings and the reference reading. Suggested reading means you have to read, and reference means you can take the help if you have any doubt. So this video is both for the NEET, for the first BDS student and for the students who are preparing the NEET MDS, because they require the reference when they are studying. So let's get started with the current video. So first we'll talk about the important subject, that's human anatomy, embryology and the osteology. So dear friend, whenever you are studying this subject, first study the diagrams and then you can go with the text. So the basic textbooks are the BD Chaurasia and the Ikidata. Out of these two books, any one book you can refer, and you have to read completely. Second book comes the reference book. There is a Gray's Anatomy. I know the volume is little voluminous, but dear friend, you don't have to read the full Gray's Anatomy. You can refer the nerves, especially trigeminal nerve, facial nerve, muscles of mastication, and the TMJ. These things are given very beautifully in the Gray's Anatomy, and it's very important both for your first BDS exam and for the NEET and AIIMS MDS preparation. Then comes one important book, that is Handbook of BD Chaurasia. Please dear friend, refer this book for few small questions like classification of the muscles, classification of joints. So these small handbooks you have to refer. And then for the embryology, you can read IBC. And more focusly, you have to read the basic embryology and your head and neck development. So that was for the anate, embryo and the osteology. Then comes the physiology. So physiology, the best book which I suggest is the Guyton. There is a debate among people that what to refer, Guyton or a Gannon. See dear friend, there are two guidelines in the followed guidelines in the normal in our medical and dental field. That's UK and US guidelines. We Indian follow the US guidelines with the value. So most of the values in India is from the Guyton book. When you take your NEET MDS paper, most of the value which is given right in the Guyton is considered right in the exam. So please you can follow the Guyton. I know the book looks a little bit bigger, but when you read, it has been beautifully explained. Once it gets in your mind, you will never ever forget. Because in such books they give step by step, so you can always remember. Then Indian author books, if you want to study, then there comes a two, that's Chaudhary or the occasion, the medical occasion. Remember, if you see in any books it is written book for the dental student, it is a myth. It is just a marketing strategy. It is not like that the anatomy for the dental student and the physiology for dental student will change. It is not at all going to change. So always refer the standard medical book. If you want to refer, you can refer the Chaudhary Indian authors or Medical Physiology by A.K. Jain. That's also nice book. Then comes the biochem. Every year the values of biochemistry are changing. I am saying for the cycles like carbohydrate metabolism, for the different names of amino acids, for the protein metabolism. Just like, for example, recently they have changed the number of ATPs, their new amino acids have been introduced. So for that, just once you go through the Harper, mainly for the NEET MDS student, for first BDS, you can refer either of the books, Satyanarayan or ACTEP. Both are good books and you can refer. Then comes the dental anatomy. You can refer the Wheelers, it's the standard textbook. If you want little more knowledge, you can go for the Wolfell dental anatomy books. Then for the dental histology, Orban's you have to refer, and in 10 kit, the two chapters are very beautifully given and you have to see, that's your salivary gland and the eruption of tooth. So these two chapters you can refer from the 10 kit and others for the authors. So friend, these are the books for your first BDS and also for NEET MDS aspirants. Fine. So that was all for today videos. If any doubt, you can call me. The information is also given in the description box. You can mail me, you can check me out on my website, you can message there also. You will get the response very soon. And along with that, we have the lectures for the NEET MDS. You can inquire for that. The past videos are there for the orientation preparation and also for how I conduct the lecture. And second, we are starting with the foundation lecture for this first, second and third BDS. So you can ask me if any more information you want regarding that. And this foundation lecture will not like the first your 11th 12th classes. It will be the exclusively for the preparation. Fine. So if any doubt, you can ask me.